Jump rope workout. Jump rope is one of the most effective, overall body workouts, for any age level. It provides a great workout, can be done from anywhere and is a lot of fun, particularly with those over the age of 40. Different types of skipping exercises. Double jump. Cross jump. Single leg jump. What does jump rope do for your body? There are several health benefits of skipping for your body. It not only improves heart rate and blood pressure, but also allows you to choose a pace that best suits you. In this way, your body improves its flexibility while maintaining coordination. Exercising daily, using a skipping rope, can improve your muscle functioning and bone density. How to do double jump rope. Stand up keeping both your feet apart. Hold the handle of the skipping rope in each hand. Keep the rope behind your legs. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree position. Swing the jumping rope from behind over your head, and swing it down toward the floor. Make a jump before the rope reaches the floor. Maintain a light landing, using your feet balls. Repeat the steps. Cross jump. Cross jump is not as intensive compared to other skipping techniques. This form is included in high-intensity workout plans when a person needs a breather from doing high cardio exercises. The cross jump can involve skipping, using one foot after another. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do it. Stand and spread your feet apart. Hold a handle on each hand, and bring the rope forward by rotating your wrists. Bring the rope to the front by rotating your wrists and forearms. Skip the rope using one foot, followed by the other foot. Repeat the steps in fast forward motions, while being cautious not to trip over the rope. Single leg jump. Single leg jumps require good balance while putting on more weight on one leg. Since this is an advanced level, we advise you to try this technique after you have mastered double jumps and cross jumps. To perfect your skills, you can start with balancing exercises, like standing for a long period of time on one leg or doing asanas. These exercises can make you feel prepared of what's coming. Attempt the single leg jumps with slow practice. Doing it swiftly might lead to slips, trips, and injuries. How to do single leg jump rope. Stand upright. Hold both the handles of the rope in each hand. Bend one knee and slowly lift one leg. Swing the rope using a single leg, while not allowing the other leg to touch the ground. Repeat the same steps, using the other leg. What are the disadvantages of skipping rope? Women should avoid skipping during their menstrual cycle, because it can lead to increased bleeding. Pregnant women should not try skipping because it can lead to miscarriage. People with a history of medical conditions, such as heart, asthma, and arthritis should avoid skipping for long stretches.